sweet home. Don't even know the name yet to figure it out. It's all up on this hill, which is pretty awesome. I like the font on that. It's pretty cool. Interesting. Can't tell if there's anything on there. I don't know. This one has a footstone at the end of it. That goes probably up here, actually. Most likely. There's a beautiful marble one. A little different. You can see that one got destroyed. Tom Perry. So there's another family spire. Mother, Raymond, Mary. I bet you father was there, and maybe a couple more kids. These ones. This old one, 1880 to 1897, young. I'm not sure, that might be the oldest, 1867. It's only 3 years old. Not even 3 years old. Baby. I think that I would see family markers around here, but I'm seeing a lot of depression in the land. It's hard to see here, but there's definitely depressions without markers here. I want to see this Nye marker because I have Nyes in my cemetery in Newport. It's Jesse Nye, erected in the memory of. Oh, see, it's got an anchor, which is telltale of the coast, where his family probably is. Cool. 1862. Goodness, another baby. 17. There's a couple more Nyes. Margaret and Jacob, 1872, 1875. So these are all older than my cemetery. It's in 1877, 1875. Cool. $1869. 1866. My goodness. So there's some more Moss. There's a lot of Moss family members here. Harrison. Let's see what these ones are. H.S. Wooden, May of 1830 to August of 1911. Besides E.L. Wooden, 1844 to 1911. September 21, 1911. August 24th. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Now if we're going to be able to show you how high up this hill is. And all the headstones are up on the top of the hill. As you drive around and up to the top, there are no markers on the steep slopes. It's kind of interesting.
Look at how worn that flag is, guys. There's hardly any color in the starship field. I'm not sure if it's stuck up in a tree like that on purpose or I just don't know. It's been there a long time though.
We are just outside of Sweet Home.
Yeah.
In between Sweet Home and Lebanon, we saw a cemetery sign, decided to pop in here and find out about it. There is, so far, no indication of what the name of the cemetery is.
Not so far.
So, we'll have to look it up. It's on Liberty Road. That's helpful.
Yeah. The only cemetery
We'll find out. It's a really beautiful cemetery and one of the older ones that we've been to.
Yeah.
Of course, we had to pop into the local nursery down the road as well.